In this video, we are going to combine functions f plus g, f minus g, f times g, and f divided by g, and their domains. So for first one, you just need to combine x squared minus 1, which is f of x, plus g of x, and combine the like terms, then you will get x squared plus x minus 2. The domain for f of x, it's a parabola, it's all real number. And domain for g of x is all real number too. So you have to combine these domain. And since they're both all real number, we're going to write all real number for x squared plus x minus 2 because it's a quadratic. Now let's look at f of x minus g of x. So same thing here, we're going to write f of x, but this time we are subtracting g of x. And you're going to distribute your negative sign. So it will be equal to x squared minus x because minus 1 plus 1 goes away. And the domain, again, polynomials, right? Linear, all real number, parabola, all real number. Therefore, our f minus g is also polynomial or quadratic. Therefore, the domain should be all real number. Let's look at next one. F times g is just multiplying x squared minus 1 and x minus 1. And you FOIL, then you get x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 1. And that will be your f times g of x. Now we're going to find the domain. Again, it's a polynomial, so we know it will be all real numbers. Finally, f divided by g, we have x squared minus 1x minus 1 equal, you can simplify further, right, by factoring your numerator. Then you know that you can cancel x minus 1 from the numerator and denominator. You ended up having x plus 1. This will be your final answer for f divided by g. However, we cannot say that the domain of f divided by g of x is all real number. You have to determine the domain before you simplify. So we're going to look at x squared minus 1 divided by x minus 1 for our domain. So for set notation, you can say that x such that x cannot equal to 1. For interval notation, we can write it as negative infinity, comma, 1 union 1, comma, infinity.